Hey guys, it's Rachel here with WTI. In the past few weeks, even though I've been super busy, I've been traveling, I feel like I have so much energy. And the only thing that I have changed in my diet is adding liposomal glutathione. It's a supplement and this thing is amazing. This one is by Med Science and I like the size of it. It's great for travel. It's 4 ounces. So I'll just take this powerful antioxidant once a day, just a little less than a teaspoon. You can see it here, it's an opaque color and the flavor is orange. It's not a bad flavor, it's easy to swallow. And what it does, it protects the mitochondria. It's great for your liver. And I found that it just gives me so much energy and great focus. I like the lid. It doesn't pour out. It comes out in drops. It's easy to take because it's liquid. I'd highly recommend glutathione. It's a liposomal and it's by Med Science. I love this stuff. I definitely highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.